In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Capture One Pro on Windows. By the end, you'll have the app installed, launched, and activated so you can get straight to editing. First, head to the official Capture One website and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the genuine site and use the account you'll be activating with. Once you're signed in, go to your account page and look for the Download section. This is where Capture One hosts the latest installers for each operating system. Choose Windows as your platform, then download the most recent Capture One installer with the .exe extension. Save it somewhere easy to find. Most browsers will place it in your Downloads folder by default, and you can also check your browser's Downloads list if you're unsure where it went. Next, open your Downloads folder and locate the file you just saved. Double-click the installer to launch it. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. That's the standard user account control prompt confirming you want to install trusted software. Now, follow the on-screen setup steps. Start by reading and accepting the license agreement. When you're asked where to install the program, the default location is recommended for most users, so you can simply continue. Proceed through the remaining prompts until the installer begins copying files. This part can take a few minutes, depending on your system, so let it finish without interrupting the process. When the installation completes, it's time to launch Capture One Pro. You can open it from the Start menu by searching for Capture One, or use the desktop shortcut if one was created. Either option will start the application. On first launch, you'll be guided through activation. If you're on a current subscription or a new version, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Capture One account to authenticate, then select the plan associated with your license and continue. As soon as you complete that, the program will activate automatically. Make sure you're online during this step so activation can complete successfully. That's it. You've downloaded the installer, run the setup, launched the app, and activated your license. If you ever need to reinstall, you can repeat these same steps. For now, you're ready to explore the interface and begin working with your images. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section as you follow along.